Ready to ditch the never-ending customer support queues and unlock effortless engagement? In this video, we're diving headfirst into how to build a powerful messenger bot with ManyChat, no coding required. Let's get started. First, head to ManyChat.com and create your free account, linking it to your Facebook page. Once you're in, explore the dashboard. This is your mission control. Now, let's craft your bot's personality. Navigate to automation and then flows. This is where the magic happens. Click create new flow. Start with a welcome message. Is the first impression, so make it count. Add text, images, even quick replies. Think about the questions people usually ask and design your bot to answer them. Buttons and quick replies are key. They guide the conversation and keep users engaged. You can link these buttons to other flows, providing information, collecting data, or even offering special deals. Now, let's automate responses based on keywords. Go to automation, then keywords. Set out triggers that respond when someone types a specific word or phrase. For instance, if someone types pricing, your bot can automatically share your pricing plan. ManyChat integrates with tons of other platforms like Google Sheets, email marketing services, and more. Head to settings and click integrations to connect to other apps. This allows you to collect leads, segment your audience, and personalize your messaging. Finally, track your bot's performance. ManyChat's analytics show you what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your flows and optimize your bot for maximum engagement.